Well, ever since I left college, I always wanted to do an apprenticeship because it's always been my desire, instead of going on to a university, and to build my experience and my relevant skills in a specific apprenticeship. I think that delivers it for my lifestyle. So yeah. Obviously I am surrounded by amazing, loving people within the workplace, and they give me a workload that will build my skills and my techniques and tactics and everything, and that will develop me over time and hopefully get a better job. In an apprenticeship role, you are directed into specific needs for your skills and experience to be built, so you're more employable over time. And doing an apprenticeship is more fun for me because it's focusing on a specific skill set and developing my skills overall.